Smart home automation offers unparalleled comfort by seamlessly integrating technology into our daily lives. Let's learn how to transform your living space into a more comfortable, convenient, and sustainable home.
The smart home industry is, like technology in general, changing very rapidly. The way we live our lives today, from the way we drive our cars, the way we stream, watch TVs. So we've really tried to adapt and provide services and solutions from products that our customers can use in their homes that really fit their lifestyle. I think it makes all the sense in the world to wire your home as a smart home. It really sets you up in three distinct ways to use your home. One, it provides more comfortability. It provides efficiency. You can control your HVAC system, your appliances. Every part of your home is now able to be controlled by a device. And then also it adds to the safety and security of your home.
InCharge Electric is about more than simply replacing a light switch. Imagine waking up to the perfect temperature as your smart thermostat adjusts to your preferences automatically.
How do we integrate our systems in with our clients' lifestyles to develop a more comfortable and secure home? Some clients are going to want to focus on security, while others are going to want to focus on entertainment. Automation, when it's run correctly, is going to be part of your life. So what we do here at InCharge is have a consultation with each individual homeowner and try to figure out how automation is going to work best for them and their lifestyle.
But it's not just about convenience. Smart home automation also empowers us to lead more sustainable lives.
Home automation can help you control lights, help you control outlets, turn things off when you're not home. Say you leave out of town and you left the lights on, you want to turn them off. It's all done by a touch of a button on your cell phone. With kitchen appliances, home automation can allow you to completely disconnect the energy from any home appliance, so they're not consuming any energy. What the home automation allows you to do is shut down the outlet completely to where it's not using energy at all, even if something is plugged into it. The thermostat allows you to leave your home and say you have it programmed to raise the temperature so it's not consuming energy, and then you have it on a time schedule for when you return home. It's already on for 3 hours, the house is cooled down and you're good to go. As far as TVs are concerned, say your kids are playing video games too much, you can put it on the timer, you can shut it off with your phone. We also use things like occupancy sensors, so when you walk into a room, it comes on, and then when you leave the room, it's time to shut off at a certain point in time. I personally have them in my restrooms because my children don't know how to turn off lights. We can install energy efficient load centers that can give you a readout of energy usage at peak hours. It can give you energy uses for large appliances in the house, and that way you can control your system how you want to make it a lot more energy efficient for you.
Smart home automation involves connecting devices, appliances, and systems in your home to a centralized network.
Internet service providers will bring their modem or the signal into the house, and at InCharge, what we do is work with our clients to proliferate that signal throughout the house so that these connected devices have strong signal all throughout the house. So very important to have a strong network built into our clients' homes. The main way that a homeowner is going to control their connected device is going to be through the apps on their phone. Most devices today are going to come with an app that's controllable, that clients are going to be able to interact with. We also have the ability to install panels in clients' homes to allow them to do it as well. So we want to make it convenient for our clients to interact with these types of systems and easy to monitor.
Utilizing experienced, skilled electricians and top quality materials, InCharge Electric provides a one-stop shop of services for any home building project.
Our experience with InCharge was really great from start to finish. We had them do our entire home electrical system as well as our home automation.
From start to finish, we had just an excellent experience with them. Would definitely refer InCharge to family and friends.
Smart home automation has the power to revolutionize our lifestyles. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey and transform your home into a smart home?
InCharge Electric has been in Central Texas providing clients and builders with solid electrical, low voltage, and home technology services. In the future, we see ourselves advancing in the home automation space to protect more homes, get more home theaters out there, get more home audio systems out there, and develop crews that are able to work with clients and take advantage of the landscape that's there for home technology.
To find out more about InCharge Electric, visit inchargeelectricalservices.com and designingspaces.tv.